Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the RevKid. You guys asked for it and here I am with a night ride video. As the sun dips below the horizon, Kolkata transforms into a realm of nocturnal allure. The city comes alive with a symphony of headlights and shimmering street lights, casting an ethereal glow on the asphalt as I rev my engine and navigate the streets of Kolkata. Embarking on a night ride, I try the powerful Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350 is an experience that blends exhilaration, freedom and a touch of mystique. With the engine's deep growl resonating through the cool night air, I set off on the open road, the illuminated streets of Kolkata stretching out before me like a captivating tapestry. The Thunderbird signature thump becomes my rhythm, synchronized with the beat of my heart as I navigate the nocturnal streets with confidence and grace. The sole reason to choose Thunderbird 350 for this night ride is its comfortable sitting and steady handling that allows me to revel in the sheer pleasure of riding. The wind rushes past, caressing my face as I explore the city's diverse neighborhoods. From the bustling Park Street with its lively nightlife to the serene and beautiful Princep Ghat, each turn reveals a new facet of the city's personality. Kolkata's iconic landmarks stand like silent sentinels, their grandeur magnified under the moonlit sky. The Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350, with its classic design and commanding presence, becomes more than just a mode of transportation. It becomes a companion, a partner in this nocturnal adventure. Its powerful engine and comfortable ride quality combine to create a seamless connection between man and machine, elevating the thrill of the night ride to new heights. The solitude of the night ride allows for deep introspection and a connection with the essence of the open road. Thoughts drift freely as the miles unfurl, offering a rare opportunity for self-reflection and a respite from the demands of daily life. The night becomes a canvas on which you paint your dreams and aspirations, finding solace in the liberation of the ride. As I navigate the streets of Kolkata on my motorbike, the thrill of the ride intertwines with a deep appreciation for the city's nocturnal charm. The symphony of lights, the palpable energy, and the hidden pockets of tranquility combine to create an unforgettable experience. Kolkata at night reveals its secrets, inviting to embrace the freedom of the open road and the indescribable joy that comes from exploring a city that never sleeps.
It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street,
Hope you guys enjoyed the night ride, and also do let me know what you guys think about the color grading. So that's all for today. This is RevKid signing off. Thanks for watching.